stay home. Dreams set the brush and paint the scene so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth wraps on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. Shout to me what they made you out to be. Burst the glass and start to scream so I can shout with you. Cry to me rivers that will raise the sea, creeks of pain and apathy, so I can cry with you. Oh, the gravel spikes your feet, the blood wraps on your knees. So darling, when you're deafened by the noise, I'll be right here and listen to your voice.
Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here. We were young, we were kids, it was something rare. I told you everything, but when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on, yeah. When it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered or not. Come on. you cared about me. But when it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered. Oh Lord, come on, come on. Did you question God, or did you see it coming? Come on.